we present SpARklingPaper, a system combining a pen, a paper and a tablet for high-fidelity haptic feedback augmented handwriting training. Educational apps support learning, but literacy training is still based on analog pen and paper. However, training handwriting with apps can negatively affect graphomotor writing skills due to the different haptic feedback of the tablet, stylus or finger compared to pen and paper. With our artifact contribution, we combine the genuine haptic feedback of pen and paper with individual digital feedback by a tablet. SpARklingPaper enables children to write with any pen on a standard paper placed on a tablet screen, and the tablet augments it from below by shining through it. We have created this concept as well as a prototype in an iterative user-centered design process, including teachers, parents and children. The paper is fixated with magnetic stripes on the tablet so that it does not slide during writing, and the children do not have to hold it permanently. This way, it can be easily changed when full. Depending on the child's handedness, we use no stripe on the dominant hand side so that the hand can be placed comfortably. The tablet's display is protected from the pen by a protection film. As the touchscreen cannot recognize what the child has written on the paper, SpARklingPaper records it with a smartphone camera. The smartphone is clipped into a holder attached to the table. We advise placing the smartphone diagonally behind the tablet. This way, it does not disturb the children during writing, and the paper, as well as the marker to track the tablet, are in the camera view. The last step before starting practicing handwriting is to connect the two devices via Wi-Fi. We present an implemented example for the cursive uppercase letter P to show how a learning unit with our augmented handwriting system can look like. It starts with swing exercises to practice basic graphomotor writing skills. The upper line is presented first, and when finished, the child uses the slider to get feedback as well as the next line. In the next step, P is introduced with an animation of the writing sequence of the strokes and a short sound pronouncing the letter P. A picture of an animal whose name starts with the corresponding letter is also shown, and a voice recording with the animal's name is played. Parrot. Using the slider will show the feedback how well the letter was written. With the colors red and green, we show what was correctly written and what was not. At the end of an exercise, the children receive feedback on how well they did. We conducted 2 online surveys with overall 29 parents and teachers of elementary school pupils and a user study with 13 children and 13 parents for evaluation. Our results approve our design concept and the importance of the genuine analog haptic feedback combined with the augmentation of SpARklingPaper. It was rated superior compared to our stylus baseline condition regarding pen handling, writing training success, motivation, and overall impression. SpARklingPaper can be a blueprint for high-fidelity haptic feedback handwriting training systems. We present further details in our paper.